Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my new JC200 Gamepad. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look. Type-C cable. It's got two Type-C ends on it, like that and like that. Let's check this out. Manual. Warranty card. All right. Damn. Very cool. All this should light up. Additional buttons in the back. Oh. See, I got my switch here. Should just slide on here. Just like that. All right, let's fire it up. And there it goes. And that looks sweet. So I'm gonna let you see some of the different lighting on this. That's cool. And these come off. That's freaking awesome. This is gonna come in super handy. I don't know about you guys, but the regular ones always seem to give out. I'm always going through all my warranties on them. If you're looking for a nice gamepad, definitely take a look at getting one like this. Like I said, it feels nice in the hands right here. I've done a review on one similar to this. Not as many cool lights as this. I really do like this design. And like I said, I was showing back here, there's 1, 2, 3 different buttons on each side. And then 4 slots up here for games. Let's see. So you could just store them right here like that. That's super cool. Super, super cool. Awesome. So if you're looking for a cool gamepad, definitely consider getting one of these. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in getting it below.